Hi, second graders. Today we're going to do an activity to help us with our writing. We're going to talk about complete sentences. Now, we know that complete sentences have things like a capital letter at the beginning and a punctuation mark at the end, but they also have some other important things. Let's take a look. A complete sentence tells a complete thought or an idea. That means that it's going to have two important parts. It's going to have a part that tells you who or what the sentence is about. We call that the subject. Let me add that in here. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. And then the next part of the sentence is going to tell us what happens to the subject. So what happens to the thing or the person in the sentence? We call that the predicate. Any sentence that doesn't have a subject or a predicate is not a complete sentence. They're both an important part. Kind of like if I said, here's an ice cream cone, but I didn't put any ice cream on it, you'd be like, where's the ice cream? Or if I said, here's an ice cream cone, and I just gave you a handful of ice cream, you'd say, where's the cone? You need both to make it a real ice cream cone. And you need both subject and predicate to make a real sentence. Let's take a look at a sentence and see if we can find the subject and the predicate. Okay. We're going to look right here. The sentence says, Ivan plays kickball on my team. Who or what the sentence is about is Ivan. Ivan is the subject. Plays kickball on my team, that's what Ivan does. The predicate tells us what the subject does or what happens to the subject. Plays kickball on my team. Okay, so let's take a look at these three sentences below and decide if they're complete sentences. Remember, in order to be a complete sentence, it needs to have a subject and a predicate. Here's the first one. Kicks the ball high into the air. Kicks the ball high into the air. Now, does that sentence tell us who or what? And does it tell us what they do or what happens? What do you think? Is it complete? Thumbs up if you think it's complete. Thumbs down if you think it's not complete, it's missing something. Yeah, if you said you thought it was missing something, you were right. Kicks the ball high into the air is the predicate. But the sentence doesn't tell us what or who kicks the ball high into the air. So it's an incomplete sentence. Let's look at number 2. The ball. This one's a little more obvious, isn't it? It tells us the subject, it tells us what, but it doesn't tell us what it does. It doesn't tell us what happens to the ball. What about the ball? We don't know. Number 3, catches the ball. Do you think that's a complete sentence? Thumbs up or thumbs down? You're right, it's not a complete sentence. This does not tell us who catches the ball. There's no subject here, so it's an incomplete sentence. Let's take a look at some other sentences. The numbered sentences are the ones we're going to look at, and we're going to decide if they're complete or not. Actually, I'm sorry, we know they're incomplete. We need to look at whether A or B is going to give us a complete version of that sentence. So number 1 says, our best kicker. We have to decide, is A the complete version of that sentence or B? Let's read them. A, our best kicker kicks the ball. Remember, you're going to ask, is there a subject? Is there a who or what? Yes, there's a who or what, our best kicker. Does it tell what our best kicker did? Yes, you're right. It said he kicked the ball. So is that a complete sentence? I think so, but let's take a look at the next one just to see. Our best kicker at home plate. It looks like a sentence. It's kind of long. It has a capital letter at the beginning and a punctuation mark at the end. But let me think about, does it have a subject? I think it does. Our best kicker. That's a person. That's a who. At home plate. It tells me where they are, but it doesn't tell me what they did. So I don't think that's a predicate because I know that a predicate tells what happens. So I think the complete sentence is A. Our best kicker kicks the ball. Let's look at number 2. Moves toward her. Yeah, there's definitely something missing there. It tells me, it tells me what happened. Someone moved toward her, but it doesn't tell me who. It's missing the subject. Let's see if A or B tells me who moved toward her. Well, A says moves toward her so fast. Still doesn't tell me who. B says the ball moves toward her. Does B tell me what happened? Yes, moves toward her. Does it tell me who? Who moves toward her or what moves toward her? That's right, the ball. Nice job. The ball moves toward her is the complete sentence. It includes a subject, the ball, and a predicate, moves toward her. Let's look at number 3. The players on our team. Does it tell the who or the what? Does it tell the subject? Yes, the players on our team, that's who. Oh, so the part that's missing is the predicate, the what happened. Let's see if A or B tells what happens. The players on our team watch her. B, the players on our team and their team. Which one tells us what happened, A or B? Thumbs up for A. Thumbs up for B. Nice job. A, the players on our team watch her. It tells us who, the players, and it tells us what they did, watch her. We're going to do some more practice with this later on Thursday when we have a Zoom meeting. We'll play a game where you have to figure out if sentences are complete or not and what's missing. In the meantime, there's some work for you to do at home to practice as well. Have a great week. Bye.